Imagine waking up every single day feeling light, energized, and refreshed, and not needing to rely on any kind of medication to feel that way. Sounds hard to believe, right? I thought so too, until I found something so simple and natural that it completely changed how I feel, how I live, and how I take care of my health. In today's video, I will share with you the one thing that made all the difference in my life: Psyllium Husk, also known as Ispagol. This is not just a supplement, it became a turning point in my health journey. So stay with me, because this story might just help you take back control of your health too. Hello and welcome to the channel. My name is Arsh, and if you are someone who is looking for natural ways to support your health and reduce dependency on medicines, then you are in the right place. Today I am going to share something very close to my heart. It is about how I went from constantly struggling with digestive problems, high cholesterol, and irregular blood sugar levels to living a much healthier and more balanced life, all by using one natural ingredient. That ingredient is Psyllium Husk, or what many people call Ispagol. Now, let us first understand what Psyllium Husk actually is. Psyllium husk is a form of fiber made from the outer layer of the seeds of the Plantago ovata plant. This plant is mostly grown in India and Pakistan, and its husk has been used for hundreds of years in traditional medicine to support digestive health. The special thing about Psyllium husk is that it is a soluble fiber, which means it absorbs water and forms a thick gel in your stomach and intestines. This gel helps to clean your digestive system and move waste smoothly out of the body. It is completely natural, gluten-free, and suitable for people of all ages. Before I discovered Psyllium husk, my health was far from perfect. I was constantly dealing with irregular bowel movements. Some days I was constipated, and on others I had diarrhea. I was always bloated, tired, and uncomfortable. In addition to that, my cholesterol levels were high, and my blood sugar would swing up and down. I was taking several medications which gave me short-term relief, but I always felt like I was treating the symptoms, not the real problem. And I knew deep down that I needed a long-term natural solution. One day, a close friend who had faced similar health issues told me about Psyllium husk. At first, I was doubtful. How could something as simple as fiber solve all these problems? But I was also desperate for a change, so I decided to give it a try. I started slowly, by mixing 1 teaspoon of Psyllium husk into a glass of water and drinking it before meals. I made sure to drink it immediately after mixing because it thickens very fast. I also increased my water intake to help the fiber move through my system properly. In just the first week, I noticed a few small but positive changes. My stomach felt lighter, and I was going to the toilet more regularly. By the end of the second week, the bloating and discomfort I had experienced for years were almost gone. After about a month, I started seeing bigger changes. My blood sugar readings were more stable, and my cholesterol numbers were improving. I even noticed that I was eating less because I felt full for longer after my meals. I had more energy throughout the day, and I felt more in control of my body. As I continued using Psyllium husk regularly, I started to do more research. I found out that this fiber actually works in several different ways. When you drink it with water, it forms a gel inside your stomach. This gel slows down the digestion of food, which helps prevent sudden spikes in blood sugar. It also binds with fats and cholesterol in the stomach and prevents them from being absorbed into the bloodstream. That is how it helps lower bad cholesterol, especially LDL cholesterol. On top of that, the gel also acts like a gentle cleanser for your intestines, sweeping away waste and toxins and making your bowel movements smoother and more regular. Psyllium husk also helped me lose a few extra pounds. Since it made me feel full, I naturally started eating less without trying. I was no longer craving snacks in between meals, and I started choosing healthier food options. I even started sleeping better at night, probably because my body was no longer stressed with digestive issues. If you are thinking about trying Psyllium husk, here is how you can do it safely. Start with 1 teaspoon a day, mixed in a full glass of water or natural fruit juice. Drink it quickly before it becomes too thick, then follow it up with another glass of plain water. Over a week or two, you can increase the amount to 1 tablespoon per day, depending on how your body responds. You can also add it to smoothies or sprinkle it over your breakfast, but always remember to drink enough water throughout the day. That is very important. I do want to mention some precautions too. While Psyllium husk is natural and safe for most people, it is still important to listen to your body. If you have any chronic health condition or if you are pregnant or breastfeeding, you should talk to your doctor before adding it to your routine. Also, when you are starting with Psyllium Husk, go slow. Some people may feel a bit of gas or bloating in the beginning. This usually goes away as your body adjusts. And again, always drink enough water. That cannot be stressed enough. Psyllium Husk has truly changed my life. I never thought a simple natural fiber could help me reduce my dependence on medications, improve my digestion, support my heart, and bring so much balance into my life. Of course, it did not happen overnight, and it is not a magic cure. But with patience, consistency, and a few lifestyle changes, I was able to get my health back on track. If you are someone who is struggling with digestion, irregular blood sugar, or high cholesterol, or if you are just looking for a simple way to support your overall health, then I strongly encourage you to try Psyllium Husk. It might just be the missing piece in your wellness journey, just like it was in mine. I hope my story has inspired you. If you have ever used Psyllium Husk or if you are planning to try it after watching this video, please share your thoughts and experiences in the comment section below. I would love to hear from you. And if you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and press the bell icon so you do not miss any of our upcoming videos on natural health and wellness. Thank you so much for watching, and remember, good health starts with simple, natural choices. See you in the next video.